Hi, this is Jaime Lyerly, and your pleasure possibility for today is called Desire Belly. Now, this is actually an extension of our first experiment, which is called the letting go breath. So we're going to use the letting go breath, and then we're going to add this other little part to it. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, this is actually about feeling into your desires, feeling into if you don't like the word desire, feeling into those choices that are available to you, that are in your belly and in your body right now, but we're going to start in the belly. And really feeling into those things that you want, you desire, you would like to have, that are there available to you. Now again, desires or what's in you doesn't mean that you have to actualize it. It doesn't mean you actually have to do anything about it. But what we're going to do with this particular exercise is we're actually going to just feel them. We're going to sense them. We're going to know and tap into them and see, oh, what's there? What's actually there for me? So again, it's an extension on the letting go breath. So we're going to start with that. So we're really just going to do the letting go breath. And then we're going to feel into the belly. And then we're just going to see if anything really pops. Now, again, you can't do this wrong. You can't really, mess it up. It's just about what's actually there. Now, again, I want to just say that this is a great breath for people who tend to want to control everything, that tend to grip onto things. Now, again, that doesn't make it wrong. It's just recognizing that a lot of us tend to be control freaks, including myself. And so allowing yourselves to be able to move, see what's there, is a huge opportunity to be able to just actually say, okay, what's in my belly? What's actually here? Okay, so that's how we're going to drop in. And we're going to do a short version here. And then I'm also going to do a longer version in my Pleasure Possible group. So if you are interested in that, go ahead and join us there. Okay, so we just take a deep breath in, let out the sigh, and just allow your body to move a little bit too. So deep breath in, let out with a sigh. I like to close my eyes when I do this when I first step in. Deep breath in, let it out with a sigh. Deep breath in, let it out with a sigh. And we're just dropping our awareness from wherever it's at, wherever it's scattered out into the world, into your body, just down to the top of your head. And just bring it from the top of your head, coming down, not judging anything on the way down. And then just sense and bring your energy really into that womb space, into the belly. Again, it's just like for me, it's right here, the belly space, right? The like poochie, if you have one of those, the poochie space here, the womb space in the belly. So when you breathe, you can feel it. And this is really potent for women too. But it works for anyone, man, woman, anything in between, non-gendered. And again, as we let the letting go breath move, keeping it going, there's just something underneath, like what's coming forward. Anything there. And really the first step is just acknowledging, like if you're sensing any energy shift, you're sensing any heat, you're sensing any like pain or discomfort, that's energy moving in your belly. And even if you're someone who doesn't understand or think that they know anything about energy, if you can put your hands on your belly and feel something moving, other than just like a tummy ache, there might be something going on there. So what's there? And then we use our intuition, our imagination to just say, okay, I'm available. What's here? What's my desire? What's my choices that are beyond my control? And even if you just sense it, It'll be a huge shift. Good. And if there's words, go ahead and say it. Say it to yourself. Name your desire. Name what's there. Even if it's just a whisper. Like I desire to have my body nurtured and touched. And keep the breathing going. And what's underneath that? Or is there another desire? And just keep feeling and sensing them. And even just like if we did this one, we have one desire here that got popped forward. Awesome. Now you get to choose. Do you want to do something with that? Or do you just want to let it be there? Oh, okay, I see you. I see you. I see you. That's what I usually say to any type of desire, anything that comes up in my belly while doing this exercise, especially if it's something like edgy or something that I don't actually want to happen. Like say you've got this desire to, hurt people or get something, like there's a thing where like not like you have to actualize it. It's just a recognition. Okay, I see you. And so anything that we deny or we refuse creates these blockages in our bodies. So when we do this type of exercise, we're really tapping into what's there. What's there now? What's there now? And then that you can take and step and move forward with it. So I hope this was a contribution to you. Let me know how this lands with you. And I'm really curious to see what you come up with this desire. So if you want to join my group, I'll put a link in the description so you can come join it. Okay, thanks. Take care. Bye.